Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9 and let me show you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to find the apps. Let's tap on it and choose Manage Apps. Here we have to tap on the three dots icon, and as you can see on the third position we've got Reset App Preferences, so let's tap on it. Now your device is telling you what it will reset, so it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps and background data restrictions. What's more, you won't lose any app data, so no worries, and if you're ready, click on Reset Apps. And actually, this is it. This is how to successfully reset up preferences in your Xiaomi Redmi 9. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.